Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to look up for Dogecoin wallet address. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the MyDoge application. It is the application for Dogecoin wallet, so launch the app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you haven't, you can easily create a new account first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to look up for the Dogecoin wallet address, here you can see the receive section. Tap on it. Here you will be able to see the QR code and the wallet address at the bottom. By sharing this address, you can receive Dogecoin from others. Here you can see save QR option. It will save this QR code in your gallery. Or if you just want to copy the wallet address, here you can see copy option beside the wallet address. You can tap on it. Now the Dogecoin wallet address is copied. You can paste it anywhere and you can share it with others, from which you can receive Dogecoin from others. So that's it. That's the easiest way to look up for the Dogecoin wallet address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.